The engine of the CFMOTO 150 Ola. It was just released the day before yesterday. Today, I'm showing you the price adjustment. This part was quite unexpected. The low-spec version is 11,980 renminbi. Compared to the high-spec, the only difference is in the smart features. After 13 years, when it's forced to be scrapped, remember to remove these 5 casings. You can get a few dozen more bucks for the scrap. The previous CFMOTO 150 SC was equipped with a Loncin engine. But this time, it's CFMOTO's own 150 cubic centimeters scooter engine. Let's look at its transmission system first. The belt is a double-sided cogged belt from Gates, USA. The rear-driven pulley is from Fuji, Japan. You can see the FCC logo right here. For those interested in modding, let's check the weight of the variator rollers. (16.77 grams). The engine power reaches 11.8 kilowatts. Self-correction, 11.8 kilowatts is the peak power. That's the same power as the Honda PCX 160. The torque reaches 14.3 Newton meters. As for 0 to 80 kilometers per hour acceleration, it can do it in 8 seconds. This power data among 150 cubic centimeters scooters is considered quite high. Regarding the liquid cooling system, CFMOTO's oil pump is quite large. Let's compare it with a competitor's water pump. This way, it's more intuitive for everyone. Also, the thermostat housing. CFMOTO's is aluminum, while the one in my right hand is plastic. This water pump is closer to the one on the Honda PCX 160. This is the throttle body. Let's remove the fuel injector to take a look. Then we can confirm which EFI system it uses. This is a Bosch fuel injector. That means it's EFI. System is from Bosch. The injector has 6 holes. Now for the cam chain tensioner. It uses a hydraulic tensioner. Hydraulic tensioners help extend the life of the timing chain. The downside is it might make a slight ticking sound. Currently, Honda and Yamaha scooters are also keen on using hydraulic tensioners. This engine comes with a 5-year warranty, and it's unlimited mileage. Didn't I tear down a Haojue AFR 125 before? Running 200 kilometers a day was common. So it ran 150,000 kilometers in less than 2 years. If a delivery rider buys this CFMOTO 150 with a 5-year unlimited mileage warranty is a great deal. If you don't care about those smart features, the 11,980 renminbi version is a solid choice. Look at the cylinder head. It's a SOHC, single overhead cam, 4-valve structure. It uses roller rocker arms. Roller rocker arms are quiet and have a low friction coefficient. The rocker arms are from Jushing. Yamaha also uses Jushing for their rocker arms. Also, the water jacket of this CFMOTO 150 head extends all the way to the exhaust port. This allows for better heat dissipation. This design is rare. I remember, another brand also has this, but I can't recall it right now. This cylinder head is made by Chongqing Jiqing. Honda, Suzuki, and Yamaha also use Jiqing for their cylinder heads. Let's bring in a competitor's cylinder head. For comparison, regarding the water jacket, you can see the difference, right? On the CFMOTO on the left, the water jacket covers a larger area, while the head on the right is hollow and lacks it. Let's remove the rocker arms to see the camshaft. First, look at the bearings. They are CNU bearings. Both bearings are from CNU. It feels like scooter engine bearings are almost monopolized by CNU. Check the spark plug. It uses a torch spark plug. And it's an iridium spark plug. CFMOTO is being quite generous. Now let's look at the cylinder block. You can see it's a centrifugal cast iron sleeve again. The outer layer is aluminum clad, which is good for heat dissipation. The actual displacement is 149 cubic centimeters. Look at the piston. It has a full wear resistant coating, and the piston features a non-uniform, offset design. Most other scooter pistons are basically symmetrical. This offset design is for piston lightweighting. The piston is made by Shandong Jinping. The piston rings are from Loncin. The first compression ring uses PVD coating. The second one has a purple tint, indicating an oxidation treatment. This liquid-cooled, 150 cubic centimeters engine will eventually be used by CFMOTO in all their 150 cubic centimeters scooters. For example, the 150SCs. Next update will mainly focus on replacing the engine with this one. This machine also has a pulse start, so it doesn't have a conventional starter motor. It relies on the stator coils and magneto to form a brushless motor. To start the engine, the Hall sensor is located here, which is different from many competitors. Believe it or not, I carried this engine back from the factory yesterday. As soon as it was released, many fans wanted to see it. Do you think my hardcore engine name is well deserved? Alright, give me a like for this. Look at the oil pump. Like Honda, it uses a 7-tooth trochoid pump. Although this type of pump is small, its oil delivery efficiency is high. Next, preparing to split the crankcase. Let's check the timing chain first. Both the timing chain and sprockets are from DID. Splitting the case to take a look. There's not much to see in the right side case. Let's skip it. The balancer shaft above. The bearings are NTN from Japan. Let's look at the balancer shaft. It even has a damper. Usually, 150 cubic centimeters scooter engines don't have a balancer shaft. With this, the vibration should be much better controlled. I suspect it's because the CFMOTO 450's engine performed very well in the market regarding vibration, so CFMOTO added one to this 150 cubic centimeters scooter as well. There's also an oil jet here. It ensures sufficient lubrication for the piston and also helps cool it down. Check the crankshaft bearings. They are from CNU. Now for the crankshaft. The crankshaft is manufactured by Qingdao. Since there's a balancer shaft, this side of the crankshaft has a gear. What I'm removing now is the balancer shaft. Take a look. Checking the balancer shaft bearings on this side. Same as the other side. They are NTN from Japan, but produced domestically. The TWB prefix indicates they are longevity brand bearings. Let's disassemble the gearbox. I really hate the smell of gear oil. CFMOTO designed a labyrinth zone here for oil gas separation. The bearings in the gearbox are also from CNU. No need to even film that. CFMOTO also designed a dipstick for checking the gear oil level. Alright, that's the end of the teardown. It's quite a surprise that CFMOTO included a balancer. Repeat, quite unexpected. This engine will definitely offer much better comfort. You guys should find a chance for a test ride. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.